In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ClickUp internal server error step by step, using a few simple troubleshooting methods that anyone can do. This error can be frustrating because it usually appears suddenly, even when everything was working fine before. The good news is that in most cases, this is not a problem on your end and can be resolved quickly. If you use ClickUp for project management, tasks, or team collaboration, make sure you watch this video all the way through. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what the ClickUp internal server error actually means. An internal server error usually indicates that ClickUp servers are temporarily unable to process your request. This can happen due to server overload, scheduled maintenance, or a temporary outage. It does not usually mean your account is broken or that you've lost any data. Knowing this helps you avoid unnecessary panic and saves time. The very first thing you should do when you see this error is simply wait and retry later. In many cases, the issue is resolved within a few minutes on ClickUp's side. Open a new browser tab, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then try accessing ClickUp again. This is often the fastest and easiest fix, especially if the error is caused by a temporary server hiccup. While you're waiting, you can also check ClickUp's official status page or their social media channels to see if they've reported an outage. This can confirm whether the issue is widespread and reassure you that it's being worked on. Next, refresh the page properly. Sometimes the internal server error appears because the page didn't load correctly the first time. Click the refresh button in your browser, or use a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl and F5 on Windows, or Command and Shift and R on Mac. This forces the browser to reload everything from scratch instead of using cached data. After refreshing, log back into your ClickUp workspace and check if the error is gone. If you're using ClickUp in a browser, make sure you don't have too many tabs or extensions interfering with the page. Closing unnecessary tabs can also help reduce load issues. If refreshing doesn't work right away, try logging out of ClickUp completely and then logging back in. This resets your session and can clear temporary connection issues. Simply click your profile icon, choose Log Out, close the browser, reopen it, and sign back into ClickUp. Many users find that this alone resolves the internal server error. Another quick thing you can do is try accessing ClickUp from a different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, try opening ClickUp in Firefox or Edge. If it works there, the issue may be browser-related rather than a server problem. You can also try switching from the desktop app to the web version, or vice versa, to see if that makes a difference. However, if none of these steps work, the best option is still to wait and retry later. Internal server errors are almost always temporary, and ClickUp's engineering team typically resolves them quickly. Avoid repeatedly refreshing the page every few seconds, as that can sometimes make the issue persist longer. Give it some time, then come back and try again. Once the error is fixed, everything should load normally, with all your tasks, projects, and data intact. To wrap things up, fixing a ClickUp internal server error usually comes down to two simple actions: waiting a bit and refreshing the page. These basic steps solve the problem in most cases without any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tips, software fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.